Hello and welcome to the world's best web development course. My name is Angela. I'm a senior developer and the lead instructor at the London App Brewery, London's highest rated programming bootcamp. To date, I've taught over 1 million students worldwide, in person and online. And today I'm so excited that I have the privilege to be your instructor on this course. You're going to get access to over 55 hours of HD video content, step-by-step tutorials, interactive coding exercises, quizzes, and much more. This course is created with the same curriculum as our 12-week in-person programming bootcamp. So that means you can look forwards to the same professional level content covering every aspect of web development from HTML to React. This is the only course you need to become a professional full-stack web developer. And the best part? The course is completely project-based. So that means you're going to learn everything you need to know while building beautiful real-world websites and web applications. You'll build a beautiful product website using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. You'll build games and musical apps like this drum kit. You'll learn about Node, React, and the MERN stack to build classic developer projects like a to-do list app and a project manager that's perfect for showing off at your next interview. If you're curious, take a look at the downloadable curriculum to learn more. Now, this course assumes absolutely no prior programming experience. So if you're a complete beginner, I'll be there every step of the way, taking you from programming fundamentals all the way through to intermediate and more advanced concepts. Now, if you're an advanced developer, then take a look at the curriculum and start at the level that suits you best. So instead of spending $12,000 on our in-person bootcamp and having to take time off work, you're going to get access to exactly the same curriculum that has years of design and testing behind it. So you won't just know what to do, but also why you're doing it. Now, don't just take my word for it. Check out what my past students had to say about the course. Your time is precious. That's why you deserve the best course money can buy. So what are you still waiting for? Join the course today and find out why over 1 million students have rated my courses 5 stars and see what you can do by mastering web development.